Hello everyone, welcome to English Angel. My name is Jacqueline. You can also call me Jackie, and I'm really excited you're here today. It's been a while, but today I'm going to make you a kind of study guide for shadowing the popular American sitcom Modern Family. So I talked about the benefits of shadowing in a different video, which you can check out there and get some tips. And for this video, I'm not going to show you the actual episode, but if you watch it in shadow or repeat it a few times, then you can come to this video and learn the big kind of useful expressions that we often use in English and see how you can use them in your life. Okay? I have been teaching a shadowing class or really study party lately, so this is also a great review for you if you are attending those as well. Class for today is from the pilot. Okay, pilot means the first episode, from the beginning until 1 minute and 9 seconds. So if you have access to Netflix or this episode in a different way, please go and watch that and then come back here to discuss. If not, then, come on in and learn some expressions anyway. Okay, let's go. The first one is just a sec. Let's listen to this expression from the TV show.
Kids, breakfast! Kids! Oh. Phil, would you get them?
Yeah, just a sec.
Okay, so you heard that. Kids, breakfast! So the wife is calling for the kids to come downstairs and wake up to eat breakfast. And she asks her husband, "Oh, would you get them? Can you help me?" And then he says, "Yeah, just a sec." And sec is short for, let me get my pointer. Sec is short for second, okay, or cho in Korean. Okay, so just a second or just a sec means wait a moment or wait a little bit, please. Okay, not really 1 second, but it's just saying wait a short time, please. Oh, just a sec. I'll get them. Just a sec. Please wait. Okay. Yeah, just a sec. Yeah, just a sec. Good. Or if someone says, "Hey, are you coming? Where are you?" Just a sec. I will be there soon. Good. Just a sec. I will be there soon. Okay? Just a sec. It's really common, and you'll hear this phrase and some other similar ones many times if you keep watching Modern Family. So this is a good one to remember. Okay. Wait, please. Just a sec. Just a sec. Okay. The next one is, why are you when okay? And it asks why you're doing something because it does not make sense when or considering that something else is happening. Okay? So you're asking, why are you doing this when this thing's happening? Okay? So let's hear the example and it will make more sense.
Kids, get down here!
Why are you guys yelling at us when we're way upstairs? Just text me.
Kids, get down here.
Why are you guys yelling at us when we're way upstairs? Just text me.
Why are you yelling at us when we're way upstairs? Just text me, okay? We are so far from you. You're down the stairs, 계단, right? I'm up here. Why are you yelling at us when we're way upstairs? Just text me, right? So she's saying, oh, it doesn't make sense why you would yell when you could type a text on the phone, okay? And that's what she thinks, at least Haley from the show, okay? So let's practice a little. Why are you yelling at us when we're way upstairs? Just text me. Just text me. Okay. Why are you yelling at us when we're way upstairs? Just text me. Good. And here's another example. Why are you going for a walk when it's raining outside? Right? It's raining. So why are you going for a walk? Okay, why would you walk outside? It's raining. Okay? So why are you going for a walk when it's raining outside? Why are you going for a walk when it's raining outside? Good, okay? If you guys can think of your own example, feel free to type it in the comments and I'll correct that for you too, okay? This is all about learning the expressions so you can really use them in your life. All right, let's move on. Do you have anything to say about So I wrote here 에 대한 할 말이 있나요? Okay, I'll explain it after we listen to the example.
Wow, you're not wearing that outfit.
What's wrong with it?
Honey, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt?
So we heard in the show, right? Honey, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? Okay, so if you watched the show, you saw Haley, the daughter, walk down with very cute clothes, okay, her outfit, but her skirt, chima, okay, was very short, especially for a young teenager. So the wife says, honey, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? Okay, let's practice that. Honey, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? Good. Honey, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? So it's clear, okay, the mother, the wife, feels that her daughter's skirt is too short. And she wants her husband to tell her daughter, Haley, that, you know, your skirt is too short. Go 옷 갈아입어라. Please change your clothes. Okay? So she's trying to get him to say something. Okay? So do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? Okay. And more neutrally, do you have anything to say about the lesson? Very good. Do you have a comment or some feedback? Okay. Do you have anything to say about the lesson? Very nice. And the last one, do you have anything to say for yourself? Okay, now this one is very similar to the first one, okay? For this one, do you have anything to say for yourself? You say it after someone did something really bad, okay? So partner catches their partner doing something really bad, and they'll say, do you have anything to say for yourself? Okay. What's your excuse? 핑계 뭐예요? 설명해? Like explain yourself, you know. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Okay, people will very often use this, okay, in some kind of argument like that, where the one person did something wrong. They'll say to that person, do you have anything to say for yourself? Okay, next one. Prove it. Prove it. 증명해봐요. Okay, let's listen.
Oh, yeah, that looks really cute, sweetheart.
Thanks.
No, it's way too short. People know you're a girl. You don't need to prove it to them.
Oh, yeah, that looks really cute, sweetheart.
Thanks.
No, it's way too short. People know you're a girl. You don't need to prove it to them.
Okay, so this comes right after the previous slide. Honey, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? Oh, it looks really cute, honey. So he didn't understand what his wife wanted to say, right? So he just says, oh, it looks so cute. Right? So Haley says, thanks. And then the mother says this. Let's look at it. Okay. People know you're a girl. You don't need to prove it to them. So she says first, no, it's way too short. People know you're a girl. You don't need to prove it to them. Okay? So people know you're a girl. You don't need to wear a skirt that's so short that you can almost see something, right? Or you can see that they're a girl. Okay, I think you can understand. Okay? People know you're a girl. You don't need to prove it to them. Okay, let's look at some more examples. Okay. You said you're Jimin's girlfriend? Prove it. Okay, here I'm using Jimin from BTS, right? Huh? You said you're Jimin's girlfriend? Prove it, right? 증명해봐, right? But we can't believe you, right? We don't think that's true. So you need to show us it's true. You need to prove it, okay? You said you're Jimin's girlfriend? Prove it. Right? Show us the picture. Show us the text. You need to prove it. Okay. I think she stole or she took my money, but I can't prove it. Okay. I think she stole my money, but I can't prove it. Right? I don't know that, right? I didn't see her with my money. I didn't see her take it, but I think she did it. But, you know, I can't prove it. I don't know for sure. I can't show you that it definitely happened. Okay? One more time. I think she stole my money, but I can't prove it. Okay, very, very good. And there's just one more from this episode, or from this clip. Okay, banister. Banister. Okay, and banister is just a word. Okay, it means railing or 난간. So you can see the 계단, right? The stairs here. These are the stairs. Now this part is the railing. Okay, the part that you can hold on to, that you hold this part, is called the banister. Okay. So let's listen to the sentence.
Luke got his head stuck in the banister again.
I got it.
Luke got his head stuck in the banister again.
I got it.
So in this clip, in Modern Family, they're just trying to show us how crazy and chaotic their household is, right? So in this part, their other daughter says that their son keeps getting his head stuck in the banister, right? So I think I wrote it here. Yeah, okay. Luke got his head stuck in the banister again. So you can see here on the banister, we have this part, right, that holds up the railing. So he got his head stuck in here. Okay, that's what they're saying. Luke got his head stuck in the banister again. Okay, so that's banister. Okay, let's have a little test to see if you remember. Why are you at us when we are all the way upstairs? Yelling, right? Why are you yelling at us when we're all the way upstairs? Do you remember what she says after that? Just text me, right? Just text me. Next one. Phil, would you get them? Yeah, just a... Sec. Yeah, just a sec. Yeah, just a sec. Though I do want to tell you, in English you can also say, yeah, just a minute. Yeah, just a second. Those two are also correct. Yeah, just a time. No, that's wrong. But you could say just a sec, just a second, just a minute. Those are all very common. Okay, do you have to say about your daughter's skirt? Okay, anything? Do you have anything to say? Oh, I think in the show, it was, do you have anything to say to your daughter about her skirt? Okay, but the sentence is also correct. Do you have anything to say about your daughter's skirt? Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions or you want to try out these expressions in your own way, like I said, I'm happy to make any corrections for you or help you in any way that you want. So please give me any feedback, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm gonna keep posting these, so you can look out for that. And please subscribe, make sure you subscribe and click the bell button to make sure that you see these videos when they come up. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.